Today, we're talking Coral Gables. We're talking Coral Gables single family. We're talking Coral Gables under a million. We're talking 1 to 3 million. We're talking 3 to 5 million. We're talking 5 to 10 million and 10 million and above. What's happening in the Coral Gables single family market? Let's find out. Share my screen with you, and we'll show you one of our new listings here on the edge of Coral Gables in what's known as High Pines. What's so amazing about High Pines, you'll see in a second, is the proximity to so many things. Walking distance to restaurants, bistros, shops, bookstores, you name it. Take a look at our newest listing here. $5320 Sunset Drive. Immaculate home, completely updated by the owners. Take a look at this home. Not a thing is out of place in this home. Lovingly cared for, next to the renowned Sunset Elementary School. Beautiful outdoor space with outdoor shower, summer kitchen, you name it. Got everything you'd want in a home to entertain. Covered rain or shine. Nice, generous size lot, 7,500 square feet, right here in South Miami. Everything close by. Macy's, Dadeland, walk to Barnes & Noble bookstore, Kitchen 57, Whole Foods, Publix, walking distance. It's a great area here in South Miami. There's renowned Sunset Elementary School. A short bike ride to world famous University of Miami. Shops at Merrick with movies, you name it. Bars, bistros, Trader Joe's close by. This one we just listed, and so much to offer on this property. It's like buying a new construction property right here at 5320 Sunset Drive. We'd love to show it to you. So now we're going to take a quick peek at the Coral Gables market, as I promised, single family. So here we go. All right. There we go. Okay, we're looking at Coral Gables, 0 to a million, single family only. Buyers or sellers market, what would you guess? Keep in mind, 6 months is a neutral market, meaning if it takes 6 months to sell the existing inventory, we're nothing else to come on the market. So here we're seeing in November, we're seeing that it's 12 months of inventory. It's above 6 months, therefore buyer advantage or buyer's market. October, 14 months, buyer's market. September, buyer's market slightly, 8 months. August was a buyer's market. July, peak season for single family, seller's market. June, extreme seller's market. Everything would have sold in 1.5 months if nothing else came on the market. May, seller's market. April, seller's market. March, seller's market. February, seller's market. January, seller's market. December, seller's market. So there we have it. Not much of a surprise. We all knew that under a million in that beautiful area of Coral Gables would be very sought after, a seller advantage. What happens now when we look for 1 to 3 million? Do you think it's going to be a seller's market or a buyer's market? The data shows us that it's a slight buyer's market in November. It was a seller's market in Coral Gables between 1 and 3 million single family in October. Slight buyer's market in September, and peak season that we talk about, it's real, folks. We know it's real. The numbers show it. From single family, from March, let's say February, March to through the summer, it was a seller's market all the way through. Everything was under 6 months of inventory. Then you can see the slower period, if you will, October, November, historically, and you see it both here in 2023 and 2024. It's the slowest part of the year, slowest time of year in terms of single family sales. It was a slight buyer's market compared to the other times of year. So it's Coral Gables is looking good between the 1 and 3 million. If you're a seller, there is activity. And if you're a buyer, there's definitely there's people want that area. So now if we look at 3 million to 5 million, what does it look like? Is it still a seller's market, seller's advantage in Coral Gables for single family? Well, in November, buyer's market, October, buyer's market, September, buyer's market. Then in peak season, February, March, let's say it was a buyer's market, slight buyer's market many of these months, but you did go into the seller's market range in July, seller's market in November of last year, October of last year, September of last year. So there we have it in the 3 to 5 million. It's it's on the cusp of a neutral slash buyer seller market. Finally, we'll go to 5 to 10 million now for Coral Gables single family. What is that? Seller's market, buyer's market? We shall see. Okay, buyer's market the last 4 or 5 months in Coral Gables over 5 million. It was a neutral market in between April and June of last year, where slight seller's advantage in June. And then it was a buyer's market between September and March of last year. That's the 5 to 9. Now we'll do one more here, 10 million and above. What would you guess for single family Coral Gables? We are looking at a buyer's market for 10 million or above in Coral Gables. 15 and a half months in November, about 2.5 year supply in the summer. July was a slight buyer's advantage. At no point was it a seller's advantage, but you can see right here, fewer buyers in that 10 million and above range in Coral Gables. That's why it's more of a buyer's market. So if you have any other questions, you know where to reach me. Jason Smith here at this number, 786-326-8115. Have a very happy holiday season and wishing you a fantastic, healthy, prosperous 2025 ahead. Take care.